her being bubbly, it's because God knew that she wouldn't last for a while. It's fine. You can just give me somebody and take them in a short space of time. But how you take them away from me? Bokgabo is not here. Bokgabo is not here. Like, what do you mean it's not there? It's like not very long. I'm getting a phone call with a tambo. There's a foot, in fact a leg, that is being found.
So I'm thinking foot as in istratul.
Yeah, I'm talking about a leg now.
Yes.
Govela abo bones, the toes, and not the whole entire thing. So and the mother was before me, still there, because it was a lengthy process. They came running to us, and then when we got there, it was like, those dogs seems to be barking and eating something that appears to be a human. Let's go identify that body. It was okay, let's go. And then we moved on, Basbalama, crime tape, and then we looked at that body, and it was beyond recognition. It was beyond recognition because the body had no hair. The body had no eyes. The eyes were removed.